To place a dropship order, first select the dropship location, then click on Choose Location. Next, select the items you wish to purchase and click Add to Cart. Once you've selected all the items you wish to purchase, view your cart. Once you have confirmed that all the information is in order, click Checkout. Now, please enter the address for the location you wish to ship to. Note that this address entered will not be saved to your account. Once you've entered the address information, verify that it's correct and click Continue to Shipping. Next, you'll select your preferred shipping method and then click Review Order. Note that if you wish to change either your ship to address or shipping method, you do so by clicking their respective change buttons. Now, once you've confirmed that all the information is correct, click Submit for Review. Once you've reached this page, your order has been successfully submitted.